Nice stable helicopter. Dom here from Essential RC, thanks for tuning in for another flight test. We have here the RC Era C123 in this rather attractive police scheme. This is a really easy to fly RC helicopter. It flies more like a drone than a traditional collective pitch RC helicopter, and that might appeal to a lot of you out there. It does to me. I'm not particularly good out and out RC helicopter pilot, but I do like flying attractive and good looking RC helicopters, and that's what this is. It's a nice size as well, easy to take it around in the box. You should no, you can order it with 1, 2 or 3 batteries that go in the front here under the canopy, and on the transmitter the features you have, other than the sticks and the trim sliders, you've got 3 speed modes controlled by that slider there. You've got an emergency stop button, but you shouldn't really use that unless you're very, very close to the ground, I would say. And you've got an automatic takeoff and landing button. So let's give it a go. Ready? Put it on. Oh. Landing pad, and away we go. So use takeoff button. So I'm in the slow speed mode, so the speed slider is across to the left, and that's full stick forwards. That's as fast as that goes in that mode. Let's bring it in for a close-up. Nice stable helicopter. Right, let's go up to the middle speed mode. So it's a bit quicker. And then up to the high speed mode. Pitching forwards all the way, quite a bit quicker again. Nice. All right, come in for a landing. So you can use the down stick on the left stick, or you can use the auto landing, up to you. That's with the stick. There we go. And wouldn't you know, you've got to love the British summertime weather, because it's just started to rain. And we just got this flight test done in time. So there you go. That's the RC Era C123 police helicopter. Great scheme. Comes with everything that you need in a box to get it flying, less the double A's you put in the radio transmitter. Thanks for watching this one. Got to nip inside now and get out the rain. See you soon. Bye.